What if the most dangerous trap looks like an act of kindness? Dusk at a busy transit stop. A student gets her change from a barista. The air smells of warm diesel. Then a man in a safety vest asks if she dropped her keys. She hesitates, earbuds in, and in that brief, ordinary pause, the timeline begins. Predators don't always lurk in the shadows. They wear familiar faces, offer help, and exploit the thresholds of our lives. Parking lots, trailheads, the very platforms where we wait for a ride home. On paper, marking the last confirmed contact is a simple timestamp. In reality, it's chaos. The first 24 hours are a crucible where truth burns away. Memories blur, faces become composites of strangers, and crucial traces are erased by wind, rain, and the morning cleaning crew. How does someone vanish in an age of constant connection? Our digital footprints are a double-edged sword. A location ping can drift by a city block. A shared account obscures who sent the final message. That last text could be an old draft, a scheduled post, or a message typed by someone else's hands. For investigators, the data is there, but the route remains a ghost. Then come the institutional hurdles that breed fear. A single word on a report, runaway, can poison an investigation, draining it of urgency. Jurisdictions trade emails while the clock ticks. Media outlets amplify the noise, mixing fact with rumor until the signal is lost. This matters today because our lives are networked and the lures have migrated to the apps where we chat, order, and ride. Consider the choice point, the moment when routine shatters. A child walks home from school, backpack thumping. A doorbell camera captures them turning the corner. But in the narrow cut-through between two fences, a familiar shortcut, the record simply stops. No footprints, no struggle, just the unnerving silence where footsteps should be. The evidence left behind is often a puzzle with missing pieces. A hiker texts a photo from a trail fork. Her fitness watch tracks steady steps, then nothing. A young woman gets into a verified rideshare. An hour later, her messages become stiff, her punctuation too perfect. The driver is cleared, but the car is never seen again. Stranger abduction, misadventure, a staged departure. Each theory fits some facts but is contradicted by others. This is why vigilance matters now. Our lives are mapped by apps, but the gaps in that map are where danger hides, and predators study those gaps. Share your route with a trusted contact. Verify a license plate out loud. Treat a sudden, unexplained silence not as a puzzle, but as an alarm. Public sleuthing must protect families and separate hope from hypothesis. Because in these stories, the first misstep is often the last one recorded, and the most terrifying question is the one that has no answer.